Once upon a time, there was a village called Greenwood, where a kind-hearted farmer named Thomas lived. He was well known for his generosity and willingness to lend a helping hand. In his garden, Thomas had a very special apple tree that was unlike any other. Its apples were not only delicious, but also had magical properties. Word of the extraordinary tree reached the ears of a sly and greedy man named Mr. Grump. The thought of the riches he could obtain by owning that magical tree consumed his mind. Determined to have it, he devised a cunning plan and approached Thomas with a deceitful smile. "Dear Thomas," said Mr. Grump, pretending to be friendly, "I've heard marvelous things about your magical apple tree. I'm willing to offer you a large sum of gold in exchange for it." Now, Thomas was a wise and humble man who understood that the true value of the apple tree was not in its gold, but in the joy and happiness it brought to the village. He kindly declined Mr. Grump's offer, explaining, "I appreciate your interest, but this tree is not for sale. Its apples are meant to be shared and enjoyed by everyone in our community." But Mr. Grump's greed knew no bounds. He desperately wanted to possess the magical tree, so one dark night, while everyone was asleep, he sneaked into Thomas's garden. With determination in his heart, he attempted to uproot the tree. However, as soon as he touched it, the tree trembled and let out a sorrowful cry. It had sensed the wickedness in Mr. Grump's heart. Suddenly, a magical spirit appeared before Mr. Grump. It was the guardian of the apple tree, and it had a grave warning for the greedy man. "Mr. Grump," spoke the spirit in a stern voice, "your greed has brought a curse upon you. From this day forward, you shall never find true happiness or contentment in anything you possess." With those chilling words, the spirit vanished, leaving Mr. Grump trembling with fear. From that moment on, he wandered from place to place, accumulating wealth and possessions, but finding no joy or fulfillment. His greed had transformed him into a miserable and isolated man. Meanwhile, Thomas continued to share the apples from his magical tree with the villagers, spreading happiness and fostering a sense of unity. The apples became a symbol of love and generosity in Greenwood, reminding everyone of the importance of sharing and caring for one another. The villagers took to heart the lesson learned from Mr. Grump's tale. They realized that greed is a curse that can strip away happiness and inner peace. They made a promise to be content with what they had and to extend a helping hand to those in need. And so, the magical apple tree in Greenwood thrived, continuing to spread its love and abundance throughout the village. It served as a constant reminder that true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in a heart filled with kindness, compassion, and a willingness to share with others. Moral of the story: greed is a curse that robs us of true happiness and contentment. The real treasures in life are found in sharing and caring for one another.